Hello everyone, my name is G and I'm an acrylic pouring artist based out of Cairo, Egypt. I designed the acrylic pouring basics course for students just like you who are looking to skip the frustration of the wealth of information on the internet that's sometimes conflicting and get straight to the information you need to start acrylic pouring. The acrylic pouring basics course is the culmination of teaching over 300 students in a one-to-one setting and thousands more over the internet from my channel G-Pours and my Facebook group Acrylic Pouring for Beginners. The course material is designed around the problems faced by all these students from around the world, the issues that they have with ingredients and mixing their recipes and getting the techniques done right. So in the acrylic pouring basics course, you will get a detailed guide on materials and their alternatives if something's missing in your market and how to best use them. You will get a detailed guide on recipes and consistency and how to mix your paints for the correct technique. You will get a demonstration of 5 easy techniques that you can pull off as a beginner and you will love the results. You will also get a terminology guide for all those confusing words on the internet. You will also get a loaded frequently asked questions section that incorporates so many questions from around the world about acrylic pouring. And you will get a color combination inspiration sheet for those times when you're struggling to pick colors. And you will also get a painting pricing guide for when it's time to sell your own paintings. So if you've been looking to skip past that frustration and get the first painting you're proud of, join my acrylic pouring basics class.